Hello, this is my walkthrough for my BSc Specialization Advisor project built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I will show the main features, explain the technical logic, and demonstrate how the code works, basically. So we move on to the landing page, which is index.html. This is the landing page. It introduces the tools, the links to the quiz and contact pages. The layout is responsive and uses CSS grid for the hero area. Yeah. Also, we'll check out the quiz.html, which is right here. This quiz contains 8 questions that uses diverse form elements as required: radio, checkboxes, range slider, text input with regex validation, and text area. The UI enforces maximum selection rule on question 2. The form uses HTML5 validation combined with JS validation for improved user feedback. Now I'll move on to the actual UI page. As you can see, this is our index.html, the landing page. When we click on the start quiz in 2 minutes, we are moved to the quiz.html file takes over. So we answer our questions. Here we can see the results. We are advised to go for full stack web development, which we are given reasons why the specialization fits us with suggested next steps and starter resources. Now we'll move over to the contact .html. Here contains all of the HTML code that facilitates the contact.html file. When we click on the contacts, we have the contact details. We have my email, my GitHub repo, resources and repositories. We have the live sites on GitHub pages, and YouTube video walkthrough. So we'll move on to CSS. As you can see, we didn't use any libraries for our CSS code. It's written with pure vanilla CSS3. It's clean. Move over to quiz.javascript, that's quiz.js. This contains the code that facilitates the logic for suggesting specialization. As you can see, we have functions, calling the right, add event listener. We have computer scores function, and yeah, all that we need. So we'll move over to our README documents. So here it says interactive website to guide new BSc students to recommend specialization. Here you see the project structure, how to preview locally, notes, accessibility and validation, customization, submission checklist, and rubric. We'll move over to sources.md. Here you see our GitHub repository, our live site, on GitHub pages, video walkthrough link, third-party resources, references, and all that. So there's something unique about our project. Here you will see published to GitHub pages.py. So because I understand Python very well, I didn't have to sort of write GitHub commands manually, so I just scripted the entire process of deploying to GitHub and GitHub pages. Here is the source code for that. We used import OS, the sub process. So the sub process module in Python is used for encasing commands. It's used for running commands inside of Python. We have the URL lib, which is a command for handling HTTP requests. So this is it. Please do, I'll be happy if you check this out and give me an honest review. Thank you.